color and fracture the light. You can't help but shine. And I know that you carry the world on your back, but look at you tonight. The lights, your face, your eyes, exploding like fireworks in the sky. Set fire, touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party? I could do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Jumma, 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 kiss it, daddy, body. Touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party? I could do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Jumma, 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 kiss it, daddy, body. Look what we found. Karma reached out into our hearts and pulled us to our feet now. You know the truth is, we could disappear anywhere as long as I got you there. When the sun dies, till the day shines. When I'm with you, there's not enough time. You are my spring flower, watching you bloom wild. We are surrounded, but I can only see the lights. Your face, your eyes, exploding like fireworks in the sky. Set fire, touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party? I could do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Jumma, 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 kiss it, daddy, body. Touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party? I could do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Jumma, 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 kiss it, daddy, body. Your glow, your glow, your color and fracture the light. Look at you tonight. Set
पे आता दस्तखत कर दे। तू अब तलक था अधूरा, होने ही वाला है पूरा। हद से गुजर जा, तू हद कर दे। है चाह तो है रास्ता, ये जान ले जरा। मुमकिन नहीं है क्या?
What does the term reservation means? Reservations is nothing but giving a specific gender, giving a specific section of people.
On service, there's improvement in the quality of service offered.
Skills that we can gain from different domains that does not need any type of academics.
Many teachers said, like Thomas Alva Edison, they said that he's a stupid kid, like they said this to their mother, we know this story. But he invented something new. He became one of the most famous inventors.
While organizations such as NASA and ISRO are investing on such resources, I would like to remind them that while we have been doing this,
The earth is going to exist for 8 billion years, and if you all think that
Corporate social responsibility. As we know that if a company is growing in any country, it may be India, it may be America or any other country, that means the company is earning from that country. That is, the people of that country is working for the development of that company. So that in return, company has to pay something to the people. Yes, I know the company is paying to the government in the name of corporate tax. But we also know that government needs some kind of corporate taxes so that new companies come in a particular country. So in my opinion, I think companies have to do something in the name of the welfare of the people. Yes, I know they open the foundations, but in the name of foundations they start schools. But in the name of school, what they are doing, they are actually deploying the relatives to be the principal, vice principal, and they are doing the business. Actually, they are not doing the social service. Instead, they are deploying their family members as a job holder there. In my opinion, it is not social service. But it is
corporate companies should take responsibility of the development of society. As if I can think that if I have a lot of money, I am giving tax also, I am so much money left. Also, government, as my government said that government gives some money to those companies for the development or upliftment of the society. Then corporate social responsibility is that we should give that money in the upliftment of the society.
The role of company in growth of society and its responsibility towards it is very necessary, because they have resources and the money to implement it and for the upliftment of the needy people. And after what my good friend Avtar has said about the cases in which the money is laundered, the illegal money is laundered, or whether their relatives are put in a position, but I differ from that, and I think that those cases are not on the side of big companies or MNCs, because as you know, the data of our nation has already has such many foundations, not only in this country, everywhere in the country, not only in education but also in various states such as sports. And it remains not only for the people of what which are working in their firm, but also the normal people get their
Corporates earn from a lot of the society, so they have a social responsibility to bring the betterment of the society. The corporate social responsibility does not mean that they have to only do the responsibility by giving out money and others, but they can also do the betterment by improving their quality and services they provide.
We also say that Tata is a company that is doing unprofitable jobs, not for society. This is a good thing, but this type of company is 1%. Many companies, many corporate are profitable. They do social work for their profit.
प्याला पूरा भर ले कंचा टूटे चूरा कांच कर ले जिंदगी का ये घड़ा ले एक सांस में चढ़ा ले हिचकियों में क्या है मरना पूरा मर ले कोयला काला है मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी जिद से जुनून तक है जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा
मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी जिद से जुनू तक है जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी जिद से जुनू तक है जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा छल्ला सिर ते बन के कफन जद तुरिया तन के मौत नू वाचा मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे छल्ला सिर ते बन के कफन जद तुरिया तन के मौत नू वाचा मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे ये दिल की मशाले जोश से जला के जलती लपटों को हमने हाथों में है थाम लिया है वो कर जाना के सारा जमाना फिर देगा मिसाला यारों सबको अपने नाम दिया ओ मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी जिद से जुनू तक है जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा छल्ला सिर ते बन के कफन जद तुरिया तन के मौत नू वाचा मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे ओ छल्ला सिर ते बन के कफन जद तुरिया तन के मौत नू वाचा मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे
मैं लड़ जाना जिद से जुनून तक है जाना मैं लड़ जाना जिद से जुनून तक है जाना मैं लड़ जाना
छल्ला सिर ते बन के कफन जद तुरिया तन के मौत नू वाचा मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे छल्ला सिर ते बन के कफन जद तुरिया तन के मौत नू वाचा मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे छल्ला सिर ते बन के कफन जद तुरिया तन के मौत नू वाचा मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे
निक्कर और टी शर्ट पहन के आया साइकिल लोन निक्कर और टी शर्ट पहन के आया साइकिल लोन लगा के फोन बता दे सबको बच के रहियो बागड़ दिल्ली से चंडीगढ़ से या दिल्ली से तने चारों खाने जित कर देगी तेरे पुर्जे फिट कर देगी डट कर देगी तेरे दाव से बढ़ के बीच पलट कर देगी जित कर देगी जित कर देगी ऐसी धाकड़ है 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 तेरी अकड़ की रस्सी जल जाएगी पकड़ में इसकी आग है यो इंची टेप से नापेगी तेरी कितनी ऊंची नाक है तेरी सांसें अटक जाएगी वो जोर पटक जाएगी तने चारों खाने चित कर देगी तेरे पुर्जे फिट कर देगी, डट कर देगी, तेरे दांव से बढ़ के पेच पलट कर देगी, जित कर देगी, जित कर देगी। ऐसी धड़कन है, धड़कन है, ऐसी धड़कन है, ऐसी धड़कन है, धड़कन है, ऐसी धड़कन है, ऐसी धड़कन है,
माँ के पेट से मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी, पग पग प्यारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, माँ के पेट से मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी, पग पग प्यारे। दंगल दंगल